Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine, fit, and healthy. Welcome to our computer session. We are doing our chapter number 1, that is computer fundamentals. In that, we have learned how computer are invented as well as uses of computer, where the computer are useful to us. And next, we have learned the characteristic of computer, in which we have seen how or beyond all the machines computer are working. Then we have done working of computer, that is IPO cycle, that is input process output cycle, right, in which input devices are keyboard, mouse, okay, and processors is CPU, which is also called the brain of the computer, and output the results which we put the input and it is processed, and it is output device which given instruction by the input, okay, and the memory. A computer also makes use of different types of memory like storage, data, instruction during process of instruction, okay. And we have also seen the input devices, then CPU, okay, the flow chart, okay, CPU, output device, and then memory. Now in this session we will continue our working of computer and see a detail about how computer is working in input, process, and output devices. Let us see. Input devices allow us to communicate with the computer, okay. It used to enter data and give instruction to the computer. So what are the input devices which we can touch it, like keyboard, mouse, scanner, microphone, touchscreen, and joystick. These all are input devices, okay, and for which we can allow us to communicate with the computer, okay. Let's see first one. First one is keyboard. A keyboard is one of the primary input device used with the computer. Yes, keyboard is mostly widely used input device. कीबोर्ड आपने देखा होगा, कीबोर्ड के बिना हम कंप्यूटर का इंस्ट्रक्शन नहीं दे सकते, ओके. एंड इट हैज़ अ नंबर्स ऑफ की to enter alphabets, numbers, and special character. You have seen, I have in Google Meet, I have shown you keyboard in which numbers, alphabets, and some special character are there, okay. Then mouse is a pointing device that helps us to point, select, draw, and move things on the monitor, okay. It has two buttons with a scroll wheel between them. To select or open items on the monitor by clicking these buttons, it also helps us to draw picture. So mouse is a pointing device, okay. It helps us to point. It is have an arrow we can see, okay, used to point, select the particular icons, or we may open the in screen of monitor, okay. And it has a two button. You can observe it that it has two buttons, right, left, right, and in between that we have to given a scroll, okay, scroll wheel between the two button, okay. If we want to select the items on the monitor, we have to click the button. With the help of mouse we can do it easily. We can draw pictures as well. Next, scanner make a digital or electronic copy of a picture and text which are there on a paper, okay. What is a scanner is the exact type of machine which we scan. If we scan, the exact type of print is going to come in the पिक्चर. एग्जैक्ट टाइप का जो प्रिंट होता है वो डिजिटल वे में कॉपी होता है, ओके, एग्जैक्टली. एंड मोस्ट ऑफ द most of the companies are using this scanner to make a true copies same copies of electronic copy. Okay, the picture and text which there on the paper or in any important files. Okay, then microphone is a device to input sound into a computer. It can record our voice and other different sounds. Microphone is used to record different sounds, as well as it used the device for the input sound to give the instruction to the computer, right? Next is touch screen. The touchscreen display allows us to give instruction using our computer. Nowadays, touchscreen are very useful for us, like in phone and now in laptops and computer, digital computer. We can use our finger to instruct the computer. Okay, the touchscreen display allows us to give instruction using our fingers. It is used to open apps and giving command to the device such as mobile phone and tablet. In all the laptops, mobile tablets, as well your phone are instruction of the one finger instruction, right? If we click the, if it does this finger, it gives the easily command to the devices. Okay, the next is joystick. A joystick consists of stick that is attached to base. Okay, the stick moves and control the movement of a point. Joystick commonly used to playing video games. Okay, we use joysticks, right? It consists of a stick that is attached to a base. There is a base and it attach a in middle there is a joystick. We can move and control the movement of the point or some other display symbol on the screen. Okay, it basically used in playing video games, right? The next is processing device, that is CPU. After input we have to process it. Okay, and where? In CPU, and CPU stands for central processing unit. It is also called a brain of the computer. CPU is nothing but it is a process unit and it is the brain of the computer. The process of changing the entered data into meaningful information is called processing. We input the information to computer and it is processed by in CPU and then give the answer. It is changed into a processing devices. Okay, so what is the full form of CPU? It is the central processing unit and it is the brain of the computer. Then you can see CPU are of three main parts. Okay, that is the CPU is made up of three main parts: the arithmetic and logical unit, ALU, control unit, CU, and memory unit. So you can see a CPU is made of three main parts, right? So first is all the calculation is in a computer are done in ALU, means logical unit. All the calculations are done over there. And what is the use of CU? That is control unit work like a manager and check that all the computer operations are taking place correctly. CU is overall controlling the checking or the arithmetic or calculating operations. Okay, and CPU stores all the data instruction that need to be processed in the memory unit, and after that all the data instruction are processed in a memory unit. Okay, so students, I hope you like this chapter. After that, in next session we will do our output device. Till then, read the chapter carefully. Okay, watch the video carefully. Thank you everyone.